So as we know, one of the biggest benefits Amazon has brought to all of us as customers is this concept of a platform where you don't just get the classic network storage and compute brought into a single sort of consumption model, but you also get a host of services that are easily accessed. You get an ecosystem of providers that you can tap into. Well, we at Druva are doing the same thing with the Druva Cloud Platform. Think about leveraging your stored data, not just for protection purposes, with some of the classic requirements fulfilled around RPO and RTO, but think about a single pane of glass that brings together your endpoints, your servers, that brings together your native deployed applications in Amazon, also enables a host of other easy to access one-click services around e-discovery and legal hold, and what's coming soon around machine learning around that data as well. This is the idea of a platform. Data access for many purposes with a simplicity of use, with all the necessary governance and access controls to make it a viable platform for your business. One of the things we make sure to emphasize with our customer base is that years ago, you've chosen great solutions for protecting client-server workloads in your data center. They did a great job of aggregating a distributed architecture, and as virtualization came around, you tended to make different data protection choices. Again, on-premises, designed to really scale in a dedicated client-server environment. But as we pivot to cloud, Druva is the only platform that is natively built into Amazon. And that partnership and that architecture means a lot to you. It means you can take advantage of the cost economics of partners that are committed to driving your costs down over time. So unlike your other providers who are constantly raising your maintenance rates, we are committed to passing on savings to you as the cost of storage declines, as the cost efficiency of compute improves, and gives you the scalability such that you can pay only on a utility basis to take advantage of the services, for example, like search or like metadata indexing, that are cost intensive if you have to buy your own capacity used infrequently on premise. But with Amazon, you do that on demand and you store it cheaply afterwards. So the partnership we've built with Amazon not only takes advantage of all of the investments they've made at the platform level, but it adds the Druva value on top of that, how to treat that data well, how to add a lot of the business workflow requirements that your enterprise requires, and is also extending all the way to premises, now including with the Snowball Edge. So the partnership, the architectural integration, and the importance of native scale, the ability to adopt new services on demand, are all integral and critical parts of the partnership between Druva and Amazon. And we look forward to continuing that on your behalf as we go on into the future.